National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a flash flood warning for northeastern Schuylkill County in central Pennsylvania until 9:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., Doppler radar indicated an area of thunderstorms producing heavy rain. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Matador City, Tamaqua, Brandonville, Coaldale, Delano, Briar City Park Crest, Hometown, Locust Lake State Park, McKeansburg, MCADOO, New Philadelphia, Anita, Warwicksburg, Shepton, Snyders, Tuscarora, Brockton, Deer Lake, Casca, and Kellears. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles.